So we just got possession back on a single family home that we've been having rented out for almost 7 years. They actually said they moved out a couple months ago, didn't let us know, and this came in and drop off the keys. I'm actually gonna do a walkthrough and kind of try to make the decision on what's our next step for this property. Are we going to re-rent it out, or given the hot market, are we gonna pop it up on the market and resell it? So I'm gonna have you guys walk with me. And as always, guys, I'm the Flippin' Landlord Ninja with Two Guys Take on Real Estate.
Two Guys Take on Real Estate.
So guys, I have not gotten inside. As you can see, we have right here, they left a car. I don't know what's going on with this. We might have to get it towed away. It looks like it's probably shot most likely, and they just kind of left it on. We do have a security deposit, but still, it generally costs a pretty penny to get rid of vehicles and stuff like that. This is just a single family home. We redid everything years ago when we rented it out to this same exact family. New roof, vinyl siding still looks great intact. We upgraded the electrical system. This one actually is electric heat. It actually does not have gas down at the street here. They wanted to charge us about I think it was $20,000 to bring gas from the main street all the way here. So we elected not to do that. But let's go see. The tenants did ask to put up this fence. They had a dog, and so let's see about getting access. Here we go. So backyard, so they erected this little shed, left a little bit of trash. Doesn't look like, you know, not in bad shape. So a little issue there, nothing crazy. All right, so what's nice is actually this is undeveloped, owned by the city land, so that is really nice. So it's got a little bit of privacy in the city, which is really cool. This chain link fence obviously needs to be addressed. You got some little issues back here by this rear exit. Once again, the roof does look in good shape. All right, so let's get inside and see how the insides look. So hopefully it looks as good as the outside still. It does need a power washing though, look at that. All right, so first thing, impressions. Also this little porch here deck needs some addressing. So it looks like something happened here on the siding, by the way. There's melted. I don't know, maybe they had a little grill or something on that they weren't supposed to. Let's see. They changed the locks without telling us. So my master key. So I'm all about having a master key so I can get in all my units. And now that's not the case here. So let me go see if they didn't change the back door. We always do a master key system because this way it's easier for us to get emergency access, as well as if we need to get access for any of our vendors, like our heating contractors, electricians, plumbers, stuff like that. So I highly recommend looking into a master key system. Ah, look at that. They did not change the back door. Yes. All right. Here we go. I don't know if the power is on. Let's see. All right, so we got power. So this was like a little enclosed porch that we added heat. The flooring looks pretty good. Basic little stuff here. Repaint. The flooring is in good shape. Electric baseboard looks intact. So let's go into the main house. There's the light switch. That's the wrong light switch. Okay, so once again, this was a laminate floor we went with at the time. It does seem to have some wear on it here, so we'll probably have to go over this with a new vinyl that we use a vinyl plank flooring. It's a khaki oak from the Allure. We'll probably go with that. I don't know why the light fixture's down. So what the heck is that? Damage on the wall. All right. Closet. We got one bedroom here. Door off the hinges. Awesome. Light switch. There's another bedroom here. So I guess we must have left the paneling at the time. So I upgraded our lighting fixtures. With the flooring shot. So we definitely have to get the flooring. The heating element probably needs to be changed out. And that one's missing a No. Get rid of that little closet. They must have added this in themselves, even though they have a closet right here, which somehow the knobs are missing. Looks like they broke the Lazy Susan and tried to rejigger that themselves, and as well as some of the doors. So we probably should just do new kitchen cabinets here. It does have a weird window out into this like area here, which is just more like a hallway, breezeway. That's your door that change the lock on for us. That's the access to the basement. So it's just a small little 2-bedroom with like a little office area here, and then also another little office area or something right there. Check the bathroom. So I would probably, so I would also get new vinyl flooring here. Vanity looks in pretty good shape. Maybe upgrade the fixture, do medicine cabinet with a mirror. We did go with a 3-piece caulkless tub, which still looks in great shape, except for it looks like they got duct tape up on it or something. Maybe we'll upgrade the toilet. Maybe upgrade the vent fan with a light. There's the light over there, but maybe we can upgrade that, which would be nice. And we'll go through and put all new doors, repaint with our newer gray. I think this one will probably, it's a quick flip, so I might say we do that, but let's go check out the basement. Looks like they left the key in. They changed this lock themselves too. Okay, so this is a weird little access to the basement. Oh my God, it smells like cat piss. Ah, so rank. So we put a high efficient water heater before into this, so it still looks in pretty decent shape. We probably should insulate between the rafters, which will help produce that. What the heck is this? I don't know what's going on in there, but they have this blocked off for some reason. So I think they're actually letting the cat or a dog or something just sit down here and kind of piss and poop down here because it reeks down here. But we did go with PEX back at the time. She's still in great shape. Like I said, we should insulate between the rafters. I might actually, for sale, I would actually dry lock the walls and do a nice gray dry lock on the floor here. It really makes the place look a lot better for sale. And honestly, other than that, everything else looks pretty good down here. We have no temp columns, so that's not something to worry about. Minor clean out, so honestly, pretty happy. So yeah, I think this one we're gonna actually turn around and flip it. They left the window open. So easy access. That's something you gotta be careful too. So I think this one we're gonna actually flip. It's not a big flip. We can probably get it out of here in about 2 weeks. So we're gonna upgrade the flooring. We're gonna dry lock and clean out the basement. We're gonna power wash the house, do a little minor trash out, full repaint, change out the lighting fixtures, maybe upgrade the outlets and stuff like that. Look at putting granite in and maybe changing out these cabinets, maybe to a little bigger kitchen design. So yeah, so let's get this flipping. So if you guys like this, please make sure you like and subscribe. Love to hear your comments on this. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.